Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use your USB pen drive as your computer RAM to boost your computer's performance. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If this is your first time here and want to learn more about computer internet applications, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So to use your pen drive as an additional RAM on your computer, firstly just connect your pen drive to your PC. Guys, if you have some data in your pen drive, then if possible, please make it empty and format it. Now just right click on the pen drive and go to the properties. Now up here you will find this Ready Boost option. So just click on it. Now here you can see it's selected Do Not Use This Device. So if you want to use this device dedicated to Ready Boost, then check this box, or you can directly click on Use This Device. Guys, from here you can select how much memory to be used. Now just click on Apply and OK to save changes. Guys, if you open this pen drive, you can see this Ready Boost file is created here. Guys, when you don't want to use this Ready Boost feature, then you can select Do Not Use This Device from the properties. So guys, this is how you can use your USB pen drive as an additional computer RAM with a few easy steps. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.